Hey everyone, if you're looking to snack smart and keep that blood sugar in check, this video is for you. To the top 10 diabetic-friendly treats that are both delicious and nutritious. First up, we've got almonds. These crunchy bites are packed with healthy fats and protein, perfect for keeping hunger at bay without Next, Greek yogurt. It's creamy, tangy, and full of probiotics that are great for your gut health. Opt for the unsweetened variety for the best results. How about some apple slices? Fiber in apples and protein in peanut butter make for a satisfying combo. Just watch the portion size on that peanut butter. Moving on, carrot sticks and hummus. Crunchy, tasty, and full of fiber and protein. Made in snack heaven. Dark chocolate is next. Yes, you heard me right. In moderation, dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants and can be a sweet treat that won't derail your diet. Don't forget about chia pudding. When soaked, turn into a delightful pudding. Packed with omega-3s and fiber, it's a powerhouse snack. Cheese and whole grain crackers. A small serving can satisfy your need for something savory. Go for whole grain crackers to keep those blood sugars steady. Then we have mixed berries. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, take your pick. They're low in sugar and high in antioxidants. Avocado toast on whole grain bread. Creamy avocado and hearty whole grain bread make a delicious, balanced snack. Add a sprinkle of chia seeds for extra nutrient. Hard-boiled eggs. They're portable, packed with protein, and super easy to make. A perfect snack to keep you energized throughout the day. So how many of these diabetic-friendly snacks are you eating regularly? Let me know in the comments. Remember, snacking smart can be tasty and fun. Stay healthy, everyone.